Alright guys, we are going to make some chicken salad this morning. I'm putting some chicken in the Bella cooker and we're going to cook that up until it falls off the bone, and then we're going to use it for our chicken salad. And here I set up, I'm not a fan of chicken salad usually, and I tried one at Panera and I really liked it, so I was trying to do something similar. And I found a recipe that I liked online, but it wasn't quite the way I liked it, so I've been kind of tweaking it along the way as I've been making it. This is some of the ingredients. So I use like a half a cup of mayo and a half a cup of plain yogurt. You can do just plain yogurt, and if you do that, I would add a little bit of sugar, depending on how you like it. Some people do, you can do all mayo if you'd like, but I put in a half a cup of apples, a half a cup of craisins, a half a cup of green onion, and then salt and pepper to taste, and dill weed is definitely makes it taste good. And we use a little lemon juice so that the fruit doesn't spoil or look like it's spoiled even though it's not. Okay, so we're going to get started. I'm going to start the Bella cooker. It'll take about 30 minutes for the chicken to cook, and then kind of wait till it cools and you can peel it right off the bone and put it in last. But I do like to make this up while I'm waiting, and then stick it in the fridge. And if you can wait until tomorrow, it tastes the best the next day. So you can eat it the same day. It will still taste good, but if you let it sit overnight, craisins will get nice and plump, and all the juices and everything, the flavors will all come together really nicely. And then I recommend eating it on your favorite bread. So let's get started. Alright, so here I already put in a half a cup of mayo and a half a cup of yogurt, and I'm going to add in my apple, and whatever apples you like. I'll put a little lemon juice in the apples while they were sitting, and then the craisins, and then the green onion, and you guys can put it in whatever order you want. I just like to mix it up, and then I stick it in the fridge until the chicken's done and cool. That way it gets all nice. And then we'll put some salt and pepper, and then about a tablespoon of dill weed as well. And I did like 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Alright guys, so I finished cooking the chicken, I shredded it up, and I added it to my mayo and green onions and apples and craisin mix that I had in the fridge. Then definitely wait and let it sit overnight if you want it to be nice and flavorful. You can still eat it the same day. I do that sometimes too. So this is my favorite way to eat it, on pita bread with cheese and lettuce. Pretty much any kind of bread, wraps it's good in. Hawaiian rolls, pretzel buns, anything that you like or have around the house for bread. Maybe even crackers would work too. It's definitely delicious. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will post the recipe as well so you can see it, and I hope you make it and enjoy it. And I'm going to eat mine right now. So subscribe, and I will see you next time.